The Cathedral of St. John the Divine was built in 1888, but it never finished construction. At first it was built in the Romanesque style, but then they decided to switch over to Gothic, which was all the rage in the early 1900s. However, to this day, it still remains unfinished. Right next to it is one of the strangest sculptures in the entire city. The Peace Fountain. It was made by George Wyatt in 1985 and depicts the archangel Michael slaying Satan, carrying his head. On the very base, it's a double helix rising up, representing DNA. There's huge crabs, a smiling sun and a smiling moon, and 9 giraffes. It's a beautiful mixture of different imagery, rather odd and morbid. And it represents the battle versus good and evil.